Hi guys, Christina here, and I wanted to just do a quick little video for you to just remind you that today is the final day to join the Successful Small Talk course. And if you've been waiting until the last minute, and don't worry because I do this too, but this is your final chance to get the course at that special 40% off price. So you've got around, 12 hours or so to get the course for 167 euros today, because tomorrow the price goes up to 297 euros. Now, why are we increasing the price? It's because with my team and we are going to start working to update the course so that later this year you get some new modules, you get some updated exercises, and you're going to get an even better experience to really feel confident about your social skills in English. Now, if you still have questions about the lessons, the price, the results, how the course works, I did some videos about that earlier this week, so you can go and check those out. But, also, let's be direct. You can send me an email at contact@christinarubafe.com, and I will try to answer your question before the deadline. There's hundreds of thousands of people who are watching this video, but with my team, we'll try to get back to you, within a timely manner. Now, most students send me questions about two topics: how to find time to do the course and the level of the course. So let's take one final look so that you have all of the information to clearly make the right decision for your future. So if you're saying, I like the idea of this course, but I just don't have time right now, I'm too busy, I'm going on vacation or whatever, if you've been hesitating to join because you're not sure that you'll have time, let me give you the honest truth. I don't have time is really just a different way to say this isn't important for me. My coaches, they tell me this all of the time, and it hurts to admit it, but I know that they're right. If I'm like, oh, I didn't have time, it's because it wasn't super important for me. Now, maybe improving your English is not super important for you right now, and that's fine because, everybody has their own priorities, and only you can define your priorities. I can't tell you what's important for you, but I can help you to discover it yourself so that you make the right decision for you. So think back to past conversations in English, the dinners with the foreign colleagues, the conferences and the trade fairs where you pitched to foreign visitors, the interviews and the presentations that you made in English, and especially those small talk discussions before and after the meetings, the interviews, the presentations. Now, when you're in those situations and you struggle to make conversation, how do you feel? When you hesitate to find your words during an uncomfortable silence, how do you feel? When you feel like an outsider because you can't actively participate in the conversation, or when you stay silent even though you really want to exchange with the others, how does that make you feel? And, what impact does that have on, your self-esteem, your confidence, and your career? Because the Successful Small Talk course, it gives you a solution that makes it easy to eliminate that pain and frustration. And you have access for life, so you can join now, get that nice low price, and then start the course when you want, whether that's, today, next month, next year, but you get the full course and you get all of the updates. Now, you can do this. This course is made for levels pre-intermediate, intermediate, and advanced, and each level is going to get something different from the course, but it also means that you can always go back and revise it and to continue to improve for many years. So this is your chance, to finally feel comfortable making small talk in English, to save 40% off the cost of the course, And I will be so excited if you join the course just because I know how much it's helped students in the past and I know how much it's going to help you. And a lot of students, they want to support the free weekly lessons, and until the last minute, they're asking themselves, like, should I buy this course? They want to be sure that they're going to get a ton of value out of this course. And that's totally normal because that money is very hard-earned money. You worked hard for that. But think about how much you already learned with the free videos. Think about all of the pedagogy, the practical explanations, the real world expressions, and the love that I put into those videos. And now imagine having all of that, but put together in a clear roadmap that takes you directly to your goal, which is the confidence and the ease in everyday discussions in English. Now, you just have to follow that path that I've created for you. Now's the time to decide, will you join us in Successful Small Talk? I surely hope so, and I really hope to see you in the course.